Hey everyone! If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business without the hassle of managing inventory, then dropshipping in 2024 might just be your golden ticket. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to kickstart a profitable dropshipping business from scratch. Ready? Let's dive right in. First things first, understanding dropshipping is crucial. In simple terms, it's a business model where you sell products to customers, but the supplier handles all the inventory and shipping. You never see or handle the products yourself. Sounds pretty neat, right? Now let's break down the steps to get you started. Step 1. Choose your niche. This is pivotal because you want to sell products that not only interest you but also have a good market demand. Love fitness? Consider dropshipping gym equipment. Tech geek? Gadgets and accessories might be your alley. Step 2. Find the right supplier. Platforms like AliExpress or Shopify's own networks offer a plethora of options. Make sure your supplier is reliable and can ship products quickly and efficiently. This step can make or break your business. Step 3. Build your online store. With tools like Shopify, creating an attractive, user-friendly store is easier than you think. Customize your store's look to match your brand and make sure it's optimized for sales. Remember, your website is the face of your business. Step 4. Market your store. Use social media, SEO, and even email marketing to get the word out. Think about where your potential customers hang out online and target those platforms. Engaging content and ads can drive traffic and convert visitors into customers. Step 5. Analyze and adapt. Once your store is up and running, keep an eye on what's working and what isn't. Use analytics tools to track customer behavior and sales patterns. This data is gold. It tells you where you need to improve or scale up. And voila! Follow these steps and you're well on your way to owning a successful dropshipping business in 2024. Remember, the key is to start small, learn quickly, and scale wisely. Dropshipping offers a fantastic opportunity with minimal risk, so why not give it a shot? Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more business tips, and share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Until next time, keep chasing your entrepreneurial dreams.